Hello and welcome to this week's weather briefing for western and central Wyoming. This is produced by the National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming. Well, the major weather story of the past week was the late summer snowstorm. Take a look at the 700 millibar temperature loop. Now this is the reason it snowed. We had this sharp cold front come down, bringing unusually cold temperatures across Wyoming. And much of northern, central, and eastern Wyoming saw snow Wednesday night through the day Thursday. And the hardest hit areas were the northeastern Wyoming, especially Buffalo. Here's a look at some of the latest snow reports. Bighorn Mountains saw 12 to 20 inches. Buffalo saw 7 to 10 inches. The Casper area even saw almost up to 2 inches. Casper Mountain, 4.3 inches. Cody Meeteetse area, 3 to 5 inches. Some snow did fall in the Grable and Worland area, but only really a trace fell. And Lander saw a trace to an inch. And even up here at Riverton, we saw 0.3 inches. And kind of keep note, this was mostly a storm along east of the divide. So western mountains and valleys saw little to no snow. Here's some of our pictures that were submitted to us during the storm. You can kind of see this tree damage here in Buffalo. This was Powder River Pass down here. We have a little summer snowman here. As the cold front pushed through, and then once the snow ended, clouds cleared out Friday morning, and we saw very cold temperatures, winter-like temperatures. And here's a map of those observed minimum temperatures. And some areas even set record lows on Friday morning. And take a look, we see Big Piney, Buffalo, Casper, Grable, Lake Yellowstone, Riverton, Rock Springs, and Worland all set record lows on Friday morning. So, are we expecting to see this cold and snowy weather continue through the weekend? Well, let's take a look. Here's our weather map loop for the weekend, and in black we have the 700 millibar heights, and in this overlay image we see surface temperatures, and we also see surface precipitation. And as we kind of go through this, we see that this disturbance move off, and we see some ridging of high pressure move in, which will warm up temperatures through the weekend into early next week. Then by mid to even more likely late next week, we may see another disturbance push through, bringing showers and thunderstorms. And here's our temperature outlook for the weekend into next week. We are still kind of starting off a little cool with the post-frontal air, but we'll gradually warm up into mid next week. And taking a look at our long range, we have moderate chances of above normal temperatures in the long range forecast, with slight chances of below normal precip. There's a Northern Light show possible Friday night and probably again Saturday night. The best viewing night will probably be Friday night, as mostly clear conditions are expected. And Saturday, again, there could be some northern lights, but there could also be a few clouds, especially across southwestern Wyoming. So kind of keep an eye on the skies at night the next 2 nights. Here's a few links that'll kind of give you a little more detailed and kind of give you live updates on the aurora. The best one and easiest one is this one right here. And that's very user-friendly, but there are a few more detailed ones if you'd like to take a look. We thank you for watching this weather briefing. Again, it's going to be a mainly dry and warming trend for the weekend. If you have any questions, call us anytime at our 1-800 number or find us on Facebook and Twitter. Have a great weekend.